Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your current phone number and the Google account tied to Google Pay. This avoids mismatches later. Once done, make sure your device has the active SIM and any two-factor authentication method available. Open the Google Pay app and unlock it with your PIN or biometrics so you can access settings immediately. This step places you directly in the app environment where you can change contact details securely. Do not skip verifying the account first, because you tap your profile icon and go straight into settings or account settings, because that's where phone records live. Once inside, locate personal info or phone number and choose Edit. The labels vary by app version, but the flow is the same. Enter the new number carefully and request verification. Google Pay will send an SMS code. When you receive it, input the code to confirm. If the app asks for SMS permissions, allow them briefly so verification completes without interruption. You confirm the change and wait for the confirmation notification or email. This finalizes the link between the new number and your account. If you do not receive the SMS code, try Resend Code, toggle airplane mode, or check SIM placement and message app settings. Sometimes permissions or carrier delays block messages. If verification repeatedly fails, contact Google Pay support from the app for account-level assistance. That step resolves backend holds and lets you complete the update securely and quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.